the vlogmas day part 7.
Don't do that already, honey.
There's a pen.
Alright.
I had a dream the whole house was flooding.
Oh no.
But we were in the water. I was stuck in. I wanted to go in the van, and I got stuck. So I had to open the top. I was stuck, so I had to brake.
Okay.
And I had a dream about animals are trying to eat me. And I say I want to bite, but I pull into the animal tail away. It was the video.
Afternoon. I'm gonna go get the mail. Heard it go by. I think I've got some stuff coming. So, let's do this. Was it worth going out when it was cold? Oh yeah, the goods. I'm gonna go open these. Except this one's for my mom, so I can bring it upstairs. So due to the fact that I was panting like, I don't even know, like a dog or something from running outside in the cold, I'll show you. I opened everything and I didn't film it. So this is a project bag from the Pearl Scout yarn. Oh, it's sideways. This is her tag. And, oh, I can't see it, but it's a little tiny bag. And it's so cute. Look at these cats. I don't have any Christmas holiday bags, so had to get this one because I am a sucker for cat fabric. Does this one look like a demi-gargan? A little bit in the poinsettia? I don't know. Tiny demi-garden Christmas cat, maybe? Alright. And then, to nobody's surprise, oh, major glare, I got Dragon Heart yarn. Quarter Thorn and Roses sock sets. I'm not taking them out of the bags because technically Lev is supposed to give these to me as a Christmas present. I ordered them and I have to sadly say goodbye to my pretty babies. And for a couple more weeks. Sadness. Parting with them is going to be hard, but they gotta go in the gift basket in the closet for him to give me. Oh well. I'll see you soon, guys. I'll see you real soon. But you get my next project. End of the day, Megan here, signing off. Those cinnamon rolls I made were absolutely delicious. They paired really well with my nighttime tea. And I love baking things, but sometimes I just, well, a lot of the time, like half the time, I'm not gonna bake from scratch. I'm gonna make it something that's like, you know, a pre-made thing, like that's in those roll cans that cause major anxiety to open, or like a pre-made bag of cake mix or cookies, because I've got little kids and they want to help. I want to make the least mess possible to have to clean up. You know, that's okay. You can't always, you know, do it for the aesthetic, as Love likes to tell me I do. But yeah, that is all. And yeah, that's all. Kids are asleep, finishing editing, and maybe I'll do some reading because I still can't do knitting with my arthritis right now. So I will see you guys tomorrow.